Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I was looking for a conditioner that would help with my dry hair, and I found Madrex BIOLAGE. This is especially for dry hair, and I was having a problem, I think from my pool, that my hair was getting very dry, so I got this hoping that it would help, and it really did. First of all, I love how thick it is. It's not going anywhere. You put it on your wet hair and it's gonna stay there and it's gonna work its magic while it's there. I really like that. I also love how it smells. It has this really beautiful floral smell to it. This is the 13-ounce bottle. And another thing I really like about it is you don't have to use that much. A little bit goes a long way. So I washed my hair last night. I've been using this for a couple days. And this is what my hair looks like. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't straightened it. I didn't even brush it when I got out of the shower last night. I just put it up in a ponytail. And that's how it's remained. And you can see my hair is soft. My fingers run right through it. And so I just really love this. I really love it. I recommend it. And that's my point of view.